Welcome to our little tutorial here about how to fold copper tape for paper circuitry. My name is Jennifer Dick. I'm the program director for NextMap's Inside Out educational program, and this is a video in our series of 21st Century Notebooking Initiative how-to videos. So what I'm going to do today is show you a little bit about how to fold just your standard run-of-the-mill copper tape that you can get at home improvement stores to keep snails out, to use for paper circuitry. So the copper surface is conductive, but the part with the adhesive is not. So if you want to make paper circuitry without soldering, then it's important that when you're laying down your copper tape and folding it, that this top conductive part is always touching itself. So I'm going to show you how to fold it to maintain continuity. So the first step is to just take a little bit off, and I'm going to start laying it down on my notebook. If you're using a battery to power your circuit, then you'd want to trace it right here, fold the corner so that you could see where your positive and negative will be, but I'm using a notebook that has powered leads that I'll clip on. So I'm just going to run the tape to the edge here. This is where my power in is going to start. You just press it down. And let's say I want my light to go right here. To make the turn in the tape, I'm actually going to fold it the opposite direction I want it to go. I want it to go here, so I'm going to fold my tape this way. And let me just pull back a little bit more of the backing. So you can see that by pulling it to the right, I've made this 45-degree fold in the tape. And that makes it so that this part of the copper surface and this part of the copper surface will still be touching. And that's going to maintain continuity. Now, to get it to go this direction, I'm going to fold it back upon itself. So I'm just going to press down to make sure that 45-degree angle is nice and solid, and then I'm going to put my thumbnail as I fold down so that the two edges are still touching, and I should get a fairly neat right angle turn in my tape. So I'm just going to press that down a bit, and so there's my fold right there. And it's actually a little flat, so I can push it up and make sure that I always have the top side of the copper tape touching itself. And I need to make a break in the tape to put my light down, so I'm just going to do that with my thumbnail here, since this isn't meant to be a fancy or particularly pretty circuit. And lay down, leave a little gap for the sticker that has my LED on it. You can, of course, use a surface mount LED and Scotch tape. The stickers are a little bit easier. Here's my sticker. And these are the stickers that Ji Chi and Bunny Wong have been making. There's a crowdsource campaign where you can pre-order them. They're little arrows, which is nifty because it shows you which way the electricity is traveling. So with these LED stickers, the wide side is power in, and the narrow side is power out. Just this is the direction that the electricity will flow through it. So I put it down, make sure I get a good contact with the tape on both ends, and I'm going to power my circuit. So I take my negative power clip and clip it to the tape, and then I take my positive power clip and make sure I've got good connection. And that's the tutorial. Thanks for joining us.